Welcome to the introduction of stress management workshop. What we do in this stress management workshop is make you aware of your stress and how to identify that stress. Once you are aware of your stress, now you find out what are the stressors, causative factors for the stress. And once you are aware of short-term and long-term problems of stress and aware of your stressors, next step is to build a resilience. How to cope up with stress with the positive thoughts and all other resilience techniques will teach. Then we'll add coping skills. In that mainly we add relaxation techniques, various relaxation techniques. We add it in the stress management program. And later on we'll give you a precise plan how to go about managing your stress. So these are few components which we are added into the stress management workshop. Hope I'll see you soon. Thank you.